Welcome to the front lines of global fruit processing. This isn't just a farm, it is a high-speed botanical fortress. Every single morning, 500 tons of raw green papayas arrive here to be transformed. But before they can become the sweet dessert we know, they must survive the green tsunami. From the moment they hit the intake belt, they are in a race against time. Lasers, high-pressure water jets, and robotic sorters judge their every pixel. Only the perfect ones survive the first 60 seconds. Let's see how this mountain of raw nature gets tamed by machine. Now, the real engineering challenge begins, stripping the tough green skin without losing the precious meat inside. These aren't simple knives, they are automated contour peelers. The blades float on springs, adjusting to the unique shape of every single fruit in milliseconds. Once the shell is gone, the vibrant orange flesh is revealed. But the job isn't done. The fruit is still full of bitter black seeds. In a split second, hydraulic splitters crack the papaya open, and high-velocity vacuum nozzles, pulling with the strength of a jet engine, suck the cavity perfectly clean. It is surgical precision on an industrial scale. With the skin and seeds gone, we are left with pure, vibrant fruit. But this isn't dessert yet. To ensure every bite is identical, the fruit must enter the cube factory. These aren't random chops. The papaya halves are pushed through a matrix of razor-sharp grid blades at enormous speed. First, they are sliced into thick slabs. Then, in a blink, a crosscut turns those slabs into thousands of flawless, identical orange cubes. It is a perfect marriage of brute force and mathematical precision, turning organic chaos into uniform deliciousness. The cubes are perfect, but they are fragile and perishable. To stop time, they enter the Arctic blast, the IQF tunnel. This isn't just a freezer, it is a fluidized bed. Powerful fans blast air chilled to -40 degrees upwards through the mesh belt. This causes the papaya cubes to actually float on a cushion of freezing air. Because they're floating, they freeze individually rather than sticking together in a giant lump. In just 10 minutes, the core temperature drops from 25 degrees to -18, locking in the flavor and nutrients instantly. The frozen papaya is now a durable commodity, but it still needs a home. It travels up an elevator to the top of the most complex machine in the building, the multi-head weigher. This is the brain of packaging. 14 separate buckets constantly weigh small portions of fruit. A computer algorithm instantly calculates which combination of buckets adds up to exactly 500 grams. In a fraction of a second, those specific buckets open, dropping the perfect amount into a waiting bag below. It's a high-speed mathematical ballet. The journey is almost complete, but the papaya cannot leave yet. The center of the pallet is still too warm. To ensure a 2-year shelf life, the entire shipment must enter the deep freeze, a warehouse the size of a football field kept at a bone-chilling -20 degrees Celsius. Here, in total darkness, the pallets rest for 48 hours until they are frozen solid to the core. Only then are they loaded onto refrigerated trucks, beginning their final journey across oceans and continents to a supermarket near you. From a tropical tree to your freezer, the journey is complete.
Bring the vibrant taste of the tropics home with new Tropical Delight frozen papaya. Discover the difference today.